Okay, how to install the off-road dongle for Africa Twin. It is installed to two connectors. Both of them are placed here under this cover. So you will have to dismount the crash bars if you have it. This cover, this one, and this cover. This cover is holding on these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic clips. And then pull it a little back and take it out. Now here is the one of target connectors, and the second is under this cover. So just remove this cover. It's mounted on the screw. There is some plastic clips. One is here, and here is the second. And now just pull it out. Carefully, of course. So here, be careful. There is some plastic things. It is good to not break it. Yeah. So be careful. Okay. This is my another prototype. You probably do not have it. So okay, you are looking for this connector, 4-pin connector here, and the second connector is this one. It's the connector for the socket. Yeah. So just you have to pull this connector out. You must be a little tricky. And there is some plastic thing like this, and you must use the screwdriver, pull it to the hole, push it to the connector, and then pull this out. Yeah. So you must do it here with this connector. Okay. So when you have it out, you must unplug it. So just push this thing and pull it out. I have only one hand. Okay, now we have it disconnected. Just disconnect this one. Also push it here and pull it out. Yeah. Now the dongle. You must connect the dongle between the connectors. Yeah. So this wire out. This one connect to the socket connector. The socket connect here. And these 2 connectors connect between this disconnected hidden one here, and the second second here. Yeah. Okay. You have the dongle connected. Just push the wires somewhere. Probably you will make it a bit cleaner than me. When you have it connected, check if it's working. It should click the warning message out automatically. Yes, it's working well. You can also try it with the start button. If it turned ABS and traction control, yes, it's working well. Maybe you will get this error message, the engine check message. It's normal because you just disconnected the control panel. This disappears after a few starts of the bike. You must start the bike, run a few kilometers and turn off the bike and repeat it twice or 3 times. I don't know exactly, but it will disappear. Okay, you can mount every cover's back on the motorcycle and enjoy the new dongle.